Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gladia. Today I have this simple, easy, but yet so delicious spaghetti tossed in a yummy sardine sauce. If you're ready, I'm ready. Now let's get started. In this pot, I have a little bit of oil. I'm adding one diced onion, one red bell pepper, and one tomato. I'm also adding one habanero pepper. Right here, I'm adding about a teaspoon of garlic. You can add any kind of seasoning you have. Right here, I'm adding a little bit of seasoned salt, garlic salt, and smoked paprika. I also added about a cup of water. I'm gonna let the liquid reduce, and next I will be adding the sardine. I am now adding the sardine, and once they're all in here, I'm gonna mash them up. This is smelling so good. I had the spaghetti boiling off camera. I'm gonna add this in here and mix it all together, and it will be time to eat. I hope you guys enjoy this simple, easy, quick, but yet so delicious recipe. And I have on the side some garlic bread and avocado. You don't have to add this, but give it a try. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.